Hello dear students, hope all are safe and secure at home. Let's move to the last part of our grammar part. Yes, that is linkers. Linkers are words or phrases that we use to link ideas. Linking words help you to connect ideas and sentences when you speak or write English. We can use linking words to give examples, add information, summarize, sequence information, give reason or result, or to contrast ideas. Now, let's see the examples of linkers or linking words. Now, look at the table of linkers which help us to connect words and sentences. Words used for adding such as and, also, as well as, moreover, etc. For sequencing, we used first, second, third, finally, next, meanwhile, likewise. For illustrating, which are the words used? Yes, for example, such as, for instance, in the case of, likewise. Then for cause and effect, to denote the cause and effect, we use because, so, therefore, thus, consequently, hence, etc. For comparing, we usually use similarly, likewise, as with, like, equally, etc. For qualifying, we use but, however, although, unless, etc. Contrasting, we use whereas instead of, alternatively, otherwise, unlike, etc. For emphasizing, we use words like above all, in particular, especially, significantly, indeed, notably. Now, look at the activity 5 in your textbook. Read the passages given below and compare them. See the first passage, he was among the last few. He did not give up. He overtook some children. Look at the second one. He was among the last few, but he did not give up. Once more, he overtook some children. What are the difference between these two? Yes, right. Some words are added there, no? Which are the words extra in the second paragraph? But, once more, and all. So, these words help to link the sentences here. Tell me, which among these two sentences do you find more readable and meaningful, and why? Yes, no doubt in it, no? Yes, the second passage is more readable and meaningful. The words once more and but links the sentences in the passages and make them more readable and understandable. Such words are called linkers. Now, pick out the words from the given passage which link sentences or ideas. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. On the other hand, he belongs to a middle class family. Now, can you identify the linkers here? Yes. On the one hand is a linker and then on the other hand is also a linker. Okay. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facility. Did you find any linkers here? Yes. And then, however, are the two linkers in this paragraph. So in your textbook, you had to highlight the linkers like this and you had to pick out and write it in the space given. Okay, I hope it's clear. Look at the second part of this activity. Rewrite the passage using suitable linkers given in the box. Which are the linkers given there? Soon, then, at that time, once, at times, once again, later, so, but, at last. So you should read the paragraph thoroughly and use these linkers wherever necessary. In the last class, I had given you activities 6 and 7 as homework, and the answers will be given along with these notes. Okay, check the answers and write down the correct one in your textbook. Hope you all understood today's class. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. See you in the next one.